I'm better with you. Anyway, this is what's going on this morning. What a one fun, what a one this morning. Anyway, what am I doing today? Today I'm gonna be having a photo shoot slash intro, because I have an intro ready, but I just don't like it. So, I'm trying to get the feel of these things. So I couldn't get my nails done. So what I'm doing some press-on nails. Okay, like, yeah, it's that. that what's going on right now. But yeah, right now I'm frying some fish. For the fish, yeah, that's what I want. Okay, so what are you putting on my face now?
Milk of magnesia.
Milk what?
Milk of magnesia.
Magnesium?
Magnesia.
Oh, Phillips.
Yes.
Okay. So because I have oily skin, she's putting on it so my face doesn't look like a grease monkey. And things. So this really works though?
Yeah.
Okay.
So is it someone that told you about it, or is it something that you saw? They use it? Okay. Alrighty. And what's your name? Tell me your name. Serenity is doing my makeup today. So if you want, some makeup done, come to Serenity. You have a name, or that's just a name? Alright, coming soon.
This is finished. So hi guys, I'm behind the scene of my photo shoot slash intro, and this is my first time doing a photo shoot slash intro, excuse me. Yeah, so I'm getting a feel of things, and yeah, the photography, he's there doing his thing, I'm here doing my thing, and that's my magazine bag. I didn't get to show you guys in the video, and I'm walking my runway in my living room. So this was done in my home. I utilize as much space as possible in my home, my furnitures, like whatever it takes to have a different scene. And here the photography, he's giving me directions of where he wants me to stand, what he wants me to do. And oh, that's my sister, and she's like, oops, I'm in the way. But yeah, this was really fun and I really enjoyed it. And here I am now in this scene here. So in this scene, I'm having a glass of wine. I'm going to use this piece of furniture to do some poses on it, and yeah, let's see where it takes us, because I don't have a very big space, but I utilize my furnitures and make them work. So I use my pieces to pose on, and I think it works beautifully. So right now we're just testing out, and oh whoops, I've been hitting down everything. I think I'm a little bit tipsy right here from the wine. Hello, yes girl, I think you are. So I think I'm preparing myself for those magazines like Ebony and Upscale, and yes, you never know, you probably see me in one of those magazines one of these days. So yeah, I'm preparing myself. Okay, yes. So right now we're just the photography, he's doing his thing. That's my sister helping out a little, because she's like, girl, you're a hot mess, like, get it together. But Yes, I'm trying to get it together here. Okay, I'm having too much fun on this photo shoot. Comment down below and let me know if you like my intro and a short video clip that I did in the beginning. And let me know if you guys love it. I love it. I really enjoyed it. And I hope you guys enjoyed it also. So he's just doing some test shots. And yes, I'm still having a glass of wine. Hello. Live the lavish life, girl. I'm living up the life. Hey. But this was done again in my home and I really enjoyed the shoot. And yeah, this is what's going on behind the scenes here. We're having too much fun. And yeah, again, don't forget to subscribe, share, and like. Let me know if you like my intro and the small video clip that I did for you guys. And you know, there will be many more photo shoots to be coming up. Hello. Yes, so I enjoy this a lot. And the photography, he's fixing whatever. I'm here, you know, loosening up myself, you know, bringing my head back and forth, you know, try to get a feel of all this motion. And see, I'm moving my head back and forth, you know, try to get relaxed and comfortable in front of the camera. That day I had a full house. So my nephew, my sister, everybody was there doing their thing. So if you see like a head pop here and there, it's my family, but it's all good. It's a family thing. Okay, it's a family affair. Yes. But yeah, I'm here doing it. I'm doing it, girl. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. So comment and let me know. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the video. Ooh, before I even said enjoy, I popped the fan out. I'm hot. It's hot in there. Ooh, girl. Cool it down. Cool it down. So yeah. So this, I use my fan, you know, to be taking some pictures to see how it looks and how is it going to turn out. So whatever you have in your home, make it work for you. My sister's fixing my hair. She's like, no, not this way, this way. So it's been crazy and fun and excited and fabulous and fantastic. And yeah, I'm using my fan. So from the wine to the fan, from the wine to the fan. So I got to be cooling myself down. Yes. So he's been doing some shots with me on this side. Don't mind the little thingamajig there because that won't be in the picture. And I'm fanning myself because I'm really hot and, you know, fabulous at the same time. Yes, girl, you work it. Give it to them. So now I'm going to be turning the other side and be doing a little something different. Yes. Here's my first nephew coming down again just to see what's going on. But yes. Flash, yes, girl, give it to them. And yeah, this is what I've been doing behind the scenes of my photo shoot / intro. Anyway, thanks for watching it, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and like, and just enjoy the ending of the video while I do my poses. You go, girl. You look fabulous. Enjoy. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye. One more thing, you guys, if you want a shout out from me, comment down below and let me know if you like my intro or my short video clip that I have. So comment down below if you want a shout out from me and let me know if you like my intro.